Good morning, guys. It is September 23rd. Today is our first vlog. I'm going to kind of give y'all a run through of the day today and see how it goes. We got our drink and our breakfast. It's just water in a bar. Gonna stop and get some energy. Alright guys, we're gonna head into work, so let's go make the bacon. Actually, we're gonna go to the store and get some energy drinks. I'm on a monster kick here lately. And one thing I do like about the Raptor, if it's below like a certain temperature, it automatically cuts the seat warmers on and the heated steering wheel. So it's pretty awesome. Some energy. Looks like it's probably going to storm today. Put in my top secret code. See if I can find the lights. We got some lights. Uh-oh, big spoolie boy. Lights, camera action. Shop looks a little different, guys. We got a lot of cars out. Some parts for the GT-R. Throw these in the refrigerator. Time for some energy. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some work done before we open because it's only like 6:30. So I'm gonna try to knock out some stuff before the day gets crazy, and we'll be back with you here in a little bit. Alright guys, a few things we got going on in the shop.
Hey, light works.
Got the heavy Chevy. Oh, got that red top.
Yeah, it's loud as balls.
Check that out.
Yeah.
That's custom. Huh. All
It
this.
does have the good seat notch in it though.
Right. I think it's Beltec.
Yep.
All this room for activities. Like, I mean, look at this.
You could have quite the exhaust.
Right.
Trans pan's leaking.
Trans fan. Yeah, it looks like the fan.
It's definitely red.
Yep. Well, hell.
I'll take this inspection cover off so you
Okay.
can see a little bit more of what's up in there. But
Yeah, and I'll order one of these pans and some fluid. I guess I might as well change the oil in it too.
valve cover gaskets too. Probably.
Valve cover gaskets. All right. Huh?
For the side of the block, on both sides to be wet, I'm assuming.
So both valve covers.
Yeah.
It looks like the front suspension's new. Look, drop spindles.
Yep. Huh. Yeah, but look at this.
What the?
But then look at this.
Holy crap! That's fun.
No hardware in the front suspension.
Wow. Good stuff, America. Does it have the pins through there?
Huh?
The car keys? Up top?
Yeah.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. I just couldn't see them.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'll get that stuff ordered.
That's probably going to be expensive.
Yeah, I'll see if he wants to do
Oil
that.
pan and
What we get? Right.
Sponsor us.
Feel free to send us some monsters. But we just finished up the Blue Blob, so I guess we're gonna go put some break-in miles on it. Got it cleaned up a little bit, so let's hop on in. Gonna let it warm up.
Tommy's got to throw those plates on, so we're waiting for him. Yeah, she's running.
Gotta go legal. AC doesn't work. Good thing it's cool. that out. Alright guys, it might be a little bit loud. This is the wife's 2005 STI. It has a full built out front closed deck in it with a 35 stock location 35R, and on gas on 1300s with GSC cams stage 2s it made about 440. So well, we just got it back together. We're gonna leave it on gas for a while, and then we're gonna put some 1700s in it and go E85.
Turn it on up.
Yep, turn it on up. But just a little background on it. It has Cabela racing seats in it, a damn steering wheel, and it's a DAMD, not just damn. So don't demonetize. And then it has all AEM gauges. It has the limited rear seat in it. The car's really done up, so it's a little bit of a mess now. It's been down for a good minute. So, but I'm just trying to get like the first 100 miles on it, and then we'll change the oil. With the new cams, you run them in for about 20 minutes at 2,000, and then you change the oil, and then you'll do another oil change at 100 miles an hour on the new engine, just to kind of keep all the metal shavings and whatever out of there, just so you don't have any problems. But we're going to run about 100 miles on it today, and then do the oil change, and then put about 1,500, and then we'll turn it up and go from there. And when we get it broke in, we'll take y'all guys along for a ride.
She's thirsty.
Right. That way we can actually make it 100 miles.
Gotta keep checking. Because a little coolant got on over everything. Yeah, I mean, she's not smoking anymore.
No.
Get a better look. She sure is purty. Oh, it's puffing again. It's like, it does like little puffs and then goes away.
I think it's just
Residual?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there was a lot that got on the heat wrap.
Yeah.
You guys want to walk around. These are the S2s, right? GSC S2 cams?
Yeah.
Got a little bit of a baby look.
Yeah, it's good to, on when you first put everything back together, always check for leaks, and just go over everything. Don't be in a rush, because that's never a good thing with installing a new engine. And it should go smoothly. And put everything back where it went. broke in.
All right, back at the shop. It was about 100 miles.
Yeah.
Look at him shaking his head. Time to get her on the lift and
See what's.
see what's going on. Change the oil again.
Yep.
Seeing anything?
Just lift up in.
Yeah, I seen that.
Put the fuel real. See what it is. Don't feel like coolant.
Just see what's going on with this hunk of junk. Transmission stuff. Focus, focus. It's about that time. Closing up shop. This whole girl will probably be finished up tomorrow. That thing still needs more braking miles. And change the oil on it. These things over here hibernating. Evo's gonna have a couple more things. What do you say, Tommy?
Alright, guys.
That's about it for this short vlog.
Right. Just a day at TK Auto Works.
Today's been a slow one.
Yeah, it ain't been too happening, but just kind of show y'all through a day,
Yeah.
morning and night. But it's about time to call it.
We'll get better at these as we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, today was very, very, very slow. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Back door's already closed.
Lights off.
That's the lights off.
But we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Wait, we forgot an important thing.
Like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.